Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta Exchange. Today, it was a pleasant surprise. Gift Nifty was indicating about a 140, 150 point higher opening, but the pre-market, it was showing about 40, 45 points lower opening. Then as soon as the markets opened, so markets came into green. Finally, Nifty future closed about 145 point higher. And today, some significant things. Number one, as usual, when the market is going higher, the India VIX is also going higher. So now the fear is really on the higher side. And the second one, today, the Nifty future premium has expanded. The Nifty is up only about 110 points, but the Nifty future is higher by about 145 points. And the next one, the Bank Nifty has outperformed today. The fourth one, Reliance Industries, which was expected to do better, it was not doing well. Even the IT index was not doing well. So today it was mainly because of, banking stocks. The broader markets have outperformed. And of course, this FMCG, I think there is some structural problem in FMCG since last October. And I think this is the first time when the markets corrected, FMCG corrected more than the broader index. Usually, you take it whether it is of Lehman Brothers collapse or coronavirus, and FMCG index will fall much less than the overall index. And this is the first time that index has fallen more than the index. So today PSU index was down, Realty was down, the Reliance was down, ITC was down, But despite that, the closing was respectable. At the end of the day, one more bad news, the FII started selling more aggressively. For the last few trading sessions, they were selling, like 1,000 crore, 1,500 crore. In fact, last Thursday, they've sold less than 1,000 crore. So, the trend was that, every day they were selling less than what they have sold in the previous day. That was the trend for the last few weeks. But now, today, they've sold for nearly about 5,000 crores. But however, the domestic institutions have bought for 6,000 crores. So, overall, we are still not out of the woods. And, the markets are just, we can say, consolidating. If you can remember, Nifty closed at 22,650 in February expiry. But even now, the Nifty is trading below 22,650. So it was like, the whole month of March, so far how many trading sessions are over? About 11 trading sessions are over. Right? So this entire 11 trading sessions, so these markets were just consolidating, and markets is, trading around 22,500, 22,550. However, now the US markets are significantly higher. So the tomorrow, the Gift Nifty is already indicating a higher opening. But any higher opening, definitely these FIAs are going to sell more. So today it was such a consistent market, and FIAs are selling close to 5,000 crore today. It's really surprising. So at least, in the month of January, they bought for one trading session. And at least in the month of February, they were net buyers for two trading sessions. So in the month of March, so far, they were not net buyers even a single trading session. So that was a big negative. But the positive was that, their selling quantum, the amount of, selling has reduced. But today, suddenly, it has shot up. And now the FIAs must be very happy tomorrow if market gap up, so they can sell even more. So things are like, I would say, like this is what I've been saying for the many days, probably the time correction is over, and now we may be going in for, price correction is over. So maybe we may be going in for some kind of a time correction. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. But as I told you, I'm still sticking to my view that 22,200 to 22,800 for this week, 22,000 to 23,000 for the monthly expiry. And as the time goes, so the premiums are keep falling, right? So that is something. So though the India VIX was higher, but it was not really reflecting in the option prices. Option premiums are keep falling. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.